Okay, I think it's okay.
Okay.
I think put 2 tablespoons or two
of those.
Sugar. Pull na pull.
Okay.
Yeah, pull oh, there. And then squeeze.
You can see that.
Okay. We put cinnamon. Mix it very well. Alright.
That smells so
Okay.
good.
It smells so good, right?
The cinnamon, yeah.
Okay, we put aside.
I'm just trying to get the ones in there.
Wait. We're gonna start that one for now. Then we this instead of go like this. Okay.
So, turn around.
Supposed to be alright. I'll do like this. There's another one.
A little further so they can see more. Like,
Okay. So you go like this, right?
they don't see that.
Huh?
Go closer.
Go
Yes.
like this. And you go tap this on the this. And then like this for now. We need this. It's still wet, right? Is it? Is it on?
Not sure. I think because it's flashing, it's not.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Oh, it is?
It's
Okay.
on. Like this. Was it? want to try it?
Yeah, of course. Chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Blow it though.
Oh boy, that's yummy. Ayan na mga dear. Yung other side natin medyo nasunog. But anyway, it's still good. Yes. So, ito yung ating Hershey sandwich. Alright. Kung gusto nyong gumawa ng dito para sa ating mga kiddos, gagawin nito kahit any kind of chocolate. You can do any kind of chocolate. Ayan. So, yummy. So, yung apat na nagawa natin kanina, kinain na ng aking anak. So, yan. So, ito yung last remaining chocolate natin. So, yummy. Try it, mga dear. Alright? So, yes. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking. Bye.